Positioning. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Dennis and I'm the founder and creative lead here at UX Native. Today we are going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, which is design, and why is it so important in 2021 more than ever. So let's get started. This is the year 2021. We've gone through a pandemic. We are still here actually. Everything is closed, roads are empty, big cities are silent. So what is going to happen next? If you're looking back to 2020, we can see that everyone started working from home. And for those less fortunate working for companies that did not have an online presence and the possibility to work from home efficiently, had been let go by their employers. Basically, 2020 jumped another decade and made all of our dreams working from home possible. Let's be honest now, everyone wanted more flexibility and maybe working from home a couple of days a week before the pandemic started. Most of us, especially the introverts, wanted to have less human contact, order everything online, from food to drinks, clothing, and so on. It felt as if everything went from burnout to slow pace. However, not all the industries did that. The tech companies skyrocketed and their sales doubled or even tripled for the past year. All the companies acknowledged the need for digitalization in order to sell their products and services, but also to work with their employees. So why is design important now in 2021? It's because of this, because of the need for more digital products, more custom designed products for everyone and every company that competes for your attention and your money. I mean, think about what normal looked like back in 2019 and how it looks right now. My favorite bakery around the corner now not only does have an Instagram where they post the daily menu, but also a website, and I can even order it from Deliveroo and Uber Eats. Last thing I remember in 2019 is that I had to get out of the bed on an early morning on a Sunday in order to skip the queue and just get my pain au chocolat, and that they don't run out of it. This is for you, my French mon amis. That's just terrible. Same thing happened for other million small businesses that said, oh, we don't need this website. Oh, we don't need social media. Oh, we don't need an online presence. Only through design you can identify as a brand this year. You can pop out of the crowd and get more sales in. Only with design you understand your user and how they interact with your product. Remember when you were a kid and you will buy a toy or a game just to show your friends and be cocky about it? It's like, oh, look at my brand new toy. Well, now same thing happens, but only online. Kids and teenagers start buying NFTs like digital armors or clothing so they can show off in the game and to their friends. I'm guilty of this as well. I mean, I was playing Rocket League and I was pretty bad at it, and I said like, well, at least I have to have some design of some sort to be unique. So I bought it. I paid £10 just to make my car look different than the others. Didn't help me. I was still bad at the game, but I enjoyed looking at my car. It was different. Maybe in the future, when you send your kid to a play date, he will probably still be in the same room, but with a headset on, in a virtual reality with all his friends and all the NFTs you bought for him or her to play with online. I know, mind-blowing! But we are getting there, and thanks to COVID, it will happen sooner rather than later. Design is the only attribute that we cannot automate at the moment. It's hard to teach a machine to make custom designs on its own right now. Thus, why we still need designers to create innovative and user-oriented products no matter the industry. So this is the time, people! This is it! I can give you dozens of more examples of why this is the moment to become a designer, or invest in tech companies, or just learn a bit about design. But I think you get the gist of it. If you're still not sure that this is the future, have a look into your daily tasks and let me know in the comments below in what percentage you use digital products every day. And also, how more likely you are to click the buy now button when you see a custom professional design instead of seeing something that's pretty terrible and tragic. This is all for today. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video, and if you did, just hit that like button and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.